It's Vlogmas Day 5!
Tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here.
Good afternoon, my YouTube fan. It's currently 5:17. Yes, guys, I'm starting this vlog really late in the afternoon. A girl could not vlog this morning. It was crazy. Both of my classes was just crazy. I could not take anything out or show you anything, guys. So it's okay. I'm still vlogging for you guys. I'm still vlogging. But guys, 20 more days until Christmas. The countdown is still on, guys. 20 more days. Countdown is still going, guys. Oh my gosh, can't believe, guys. It's 20 more days. 20 more days. But before we get started with this whole video, guys, make sure you give the video a big old thumbs up and also comment below. And also, make sure you join and make sure you're subscribed to this whole channel. Don't forget, guys, stay tuned to tomorrow because I got a new video coming for you guys. So now, guys, it's still late. I don't care. I'm about to go Christmas decorating shopping, and we're going to Dollar Tree and Dollar General today, guys. So I heard Dollar Tree and Dollar Tree got a lot of nice decorations and stuff like that. So I'm about to go check them out and get some little stuff for you guys and stuff like that. So with that being said, let's go. Hey guys, so I just got home from Dollar Tree and I also went to Dollar General, guys. So I'm about to show you what I all got from these two stores and stuff like that. Let me turn the light on for you guys. So I'm about to show you do a little mini haul for you guys of what I got. I found some pretty cute stuff and stuff like that. So let me show you what I got. Right. So this is what I got from Dollar Tree, which was the stockings I needed and stuff like that. So this is 5 different stockings. This is toothpaste that I got, and then I got this right here. I can get it out. That I can put on the tree, and it says Merry Christmas, which is so cute, guys. This is really so cute. And then I had got these for the ornaments, and then I got this for the under the tree, which is a snowman, and it's really cute. I hope it fits because it's 38 inches, so I hope it really fits, but it's really cute. And then after that, I got from Dollar General, I got a star, which this was like 2 something on sale. I said 3, but it's 2 something. And then I got some soap, and then after that I got some wrapping paper. So yep, so that's what I got, guys, and we like to get started with decorating and remodeling the whole living room out. So yep, stay tuned because it will be next. Hey guys, so it's currently like 8:38, and I think in the vlog I had said that we're gonna be decorating and doing DIYs to, today and stuff like that, but I lied. That's gonna be for the video tomorrow. So guys, make sure your notification is on so you won't miss that video because it's gonna be fun, guys. It's gonna be fun. I'm excited. So guys, I'm gonna just end the vlog here and stuff like that. Make sure you give the video a thumb up and make sure you comment below. And yep, I'll see you tomorrow.
Tell me